In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a discount line item in QuickBooks Online. This is a handy feature that can help you apply discounts accurately and consistently across your invoices, sales receipts, or estimates, making life just a bit easier for your business operations. To get started, let's first create the discount product or service. Begin by clicking on the Settings icon, which is represented by a small gear in the upper right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. From there, navigate to Products and Services under the Lists heading. This is your go-to place for managing anything related to the goods or services your business deals with. Next up, click on the New button to set up a new item. You'll be prompted to choose between non-inventory or service as the item type. Both options can work for discounts, so choose whichever suits your existing system better. Enter a name for your discount in the Name field. This could be something simple like discount or discount 20% if you want to specify the discount type. Here's an important step. For a flat dollar discount, input a negative amount in the sales price/rate field, such as -$50 for a $50 discount. If you're applying a percentage discount instead, you would enter it as a percentage in this same field, say -20%. Make sure you select the correct income account where you want this discount to affect and the appropriate sales tax category to ensure everything lines up with your accounting practices. Once all these fields are filled out to your satisfaction, go ahead and click Save. Now that we've got our discount item ready, let's move on to adding it to an invoice or similar document. Start by creating a new invoice, sales receipt, or estimate, just like you normally would. Add your usual products and services into the invoice. When you're ready to add the discount, find it in the Products Service column and select the discount line item you just created. If you're using a percentage discount, enter the subtotal amount of your sale in the Quantity field for that line item. This allows QuickBooks to calculate the percentage correctly against your total. For a flat dollar discount, you'll want to enter the discount amount as a negative figure in the Rate field and make sure the quantity is set to 1. Look over the sales tax section to make sure that it correctly reflects the new discounted subtotal. Lastly, once everything looks accurate, click Save to finalize your changes. And there you have it. You now know how to create and apply a discount line item in QuickBooks Online. This feature is a great way to maintain clear, organized records of discounts applied to any sales or services. Thank you for following along, and feel free to revisit this video if you need a refresher on setting up discount line items in the future.